Subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, select all for more videos.
This was my first year joining at Excel Model High School, Jalozi Mera. At the time, I was a 5th grade student on 10/10/2014. So, at the time, I was 7th grade student. At the year was 2016. And this was our first program at Exeter Model High School, Jalozi Mera. So the time when he went to school would be at 10. When the program I saw over the person will be given medal and awarded for the school program. So in this program, we use the all class method and teacher staff. And dear friend, together you can take a picture and take it out. So I'm using memory and my life. After some time, we went to around Islamabad, Shakarparya and visited Faisal Masjid. So, the first time and the school life, very grateful and amusing memory. One day our dear son Ullah sir and I will be today's second time with the short tour of Bradag, and then this was also great memory. This time with the government Sarwa, I will be started off Excel Model High School Jalozi because many children were also admitted of me. My first time interview in my life was March 21, 2016 in Peshawar city of. Or because my first day of college, I will be starting for enjoyment life because at this time the student has not awareness of the future. And look at the rest of because people change from time to time. This is the story of my life that you all soon hear of. Thank dear friend and viewer. God bless him, dear Lord people.